Okay, now it's recording. Sorry. I was saying the first item in the agenda is about Zeno and the security related to Zeno. So as the security working group, maybe we could involve someone from Zetascale Technologies to talk about their security model. And the first question is, would it be interesting? Do you think that many people would join, or is this something that is already well known and maybe there is just enough documentation to cover for it? Are you aware of any security topics related to Zeno? So, yeah.
I don't know too much about Zeno. I've never used it, but if I recall right, it's not a DDS implementation, right?
It's not. No, it's not.
Yeah, so it has different security, basically a whole framework comparing to the other middlewares that I've seen. But it would definitely be interesting. I think there's been some initiatives to kind of add non-DDS middlewares in ROS2 ecosystem in different projects that I've heard of. So I think it would be interesting topics, and I could probably try to get somebody from our end also to listen. So yeah, definitely interesting.
And just know, sorry again, if I don't say your name, that you have any
it's actually Jishnu, and I'm quite new to this field, so I don't have much idea. So I was just curious enough to join you guys.
Okay, nice that you joined. No worries, it's okay. So yeah, we'll try to make the same question on ROS discourse, and let's see if we get people commenting there. Maybe we can involve someone from Zeno. So that was the first topic of the agenda, and Laura for the second one.
Can I add, in terms of our ROS2 package that we support, in case Zeno starts being used as an official middleware for ROS, then yeah, we will probably want to test ROS2 with Zeno, update documentation, etc. Just because everything right now is pointing to DDS security. So of course it will be a whole other area to test and to document. So in that sense, I think it affects our work. So it would be really good to have this background on how the security is working in Zeno and all the implications. Yeah, that's what I want to add. So yeah, we'll think about and gather some comments on who would be interested in coming, what points they like to discuss, and maybe for the November meeting we'll have somebody from Zeno, maybe we'll have anyone who's interested, people from the DDS as well, and discuss this topic. That'll be really interesting.
Zeno is Rust-based, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Rust. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's an interesting aspect as well. Memory safety and all that.
So, okay, great.
I have a really quick one question, actually, not probably a dummy one, but I've been participating in this security working group meetings for about 2-3 years soon, and I did in the beginning submit a pull request to join as a member for the working group, but that did not go forward. I think it's still there. So I was just wondering, what is the actual process of getting that approved?
Let me see. So I'm looking for your pull request.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's open anymore. Let me. I know Victor did comment on it, but now we are talking about like 2021 or something like that.
You also need to find it. I'm not sure. Right.
Yeah, no, if you can please share it. or bring it back up if it's not open.
Yeah.
Absolutely, like we'll
Sure.
distribute
What
in
repo
March.
is that supposed to be, by the way? I'll just try to find it. We can also continue offline in Matrix or something.
Oh, I found it. No. You're right. It is an open issue. Just started on the chat. Yeah, 2022. Sorry, we kind of buried it
Yeah,
down.
no worries.
Okay, we'll take care of that as
Yeah,
well. Yeah, thank you for bringing it up. Yeah, and the only other issue I had on the agenda was the amend wrappers that we proposed to be supported under the group, amend SEMGREP, amend Bandit. And we've discussed them before a few times. I don't know if you were there when we did a little presentation of what they did and had some discussion, but they're also still pending to be approved under the working group. So it's also another sort of administrative pending task.
Which cannot be done here because we need people with different administration rights to approve that, right, Laura?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do it offline as well.
Okay, so yeah, we need more members in the working group. That's for sure. So we can speed up some bureaucracy processes here and there. Now, anything that you may want to talk about? Okay. So I guess this is going to be, as the agenda was short, this is going to be a short meeting. And thank you for joining. So please keep joining every month. Maybe next month we will be already with someone from Zeno, or it could be the time after it.
Yeah, that would be nice. I try to get some people in the audience also. We have quite big interest on our end to move to memory safety, and we've been quite concerned about the DDS vulnerabilities in the past couple of years. So it's quite interesting to see this Zeno presentation. I did talk with them last year a little bit in ROSCON, but not too much at the time. So it's a bit more concrete.
If you have specific concerns about security in DDS, maybe we can use them as questions for the Zeno representative, right? If you record something specific that may be general, right? So DDS has a problem here. Does Zeno suffer from the same issue? Something like this, if you are willing to share.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I can prepare and collect something, and maybe I'm just thinking we've been talking with or working together with the Atostech company, who is actually the company behind the Rust DDS implementation. I'm not sure if you heard of it. It's Rust-based DDS implementation, open source, and I could probably try to pull those guys as well in, and we could see a little bit what comes from that presentation and topic.
What's the name again of the company? Sorry.
Atostech. I think. Okay. Yeah. Let me send you the link of the GitHub. It's not under the company name in GitHub. It's this Juhana Helavuo, who is the main developer / architect, or the guru behind the project.
Well, okay. I wasn't aware of a Rust implementation. Okay.
Yeah, it's rather new thing. We've been only now working with them to add the security plugins to it. So the project has existed for a while, but it did not have the security implemented at all. So.
Excellent. Cool. So thank you for joining, and have a nice day.
All right. Thank you for joining. See you next time.
Thanks, guys. See you.
Bye.
Bye.